If you want to cancel your Outlook free trial, follow these simple steps to ensure that your subscription is terminated before any charges occur. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the Outlook website and sign in using the account associated with your free trial. Make sure you enter the correct email and password. Step 2. Access your subscription settings. Once signed in, navigate to the Settings or Account Management section. Look for options related to subscriptions or billing to find your trial details. Step 3. Locate the free trial. In the subscription settings, find the section that lists your current subscriptions. Look for the free trial of Outlook that you wish to cancel. Step 4. Select Cancel Subscription. Click on the option to cancel your subscription. You may be prompted to confirm your decision. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the cancellation. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After cancelling, check for confirmation email or message on the screen. This will ensure that your trial has been successfully cancelled and that you will not be charged. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Outlook free trial and avoid any unwanted charges.